Hello everyone. A lot of times in life, while traveling, we might get confused with directions. Sometimes we might confuse right with left. But that's not what's happening here. It's not you getting confused with directions, nor is it a magic trick. But it is a fairly easy concept of physics at work here. The reason the arrow changes its mind after we pour water into the glass and starts pointing in the opposite direction is because of physics phenomena called refraction. Refraction happens when light changes direction when going from one medium to another. But why does light change directions when going from one medium to another? Well, it all comes down to the speed of light. Light has different speeds in different mediums. For instance, light is slower in glass than in air. But that still does not answer the question. Why does light changes the direction? Well, for that we need to look at the waves of the light. In one beam of light, there are multiple waves of light which can be hard to keep a track of. So physicists figured out a way of looking at how multiple waves are moving. This is a wavefront. It is essentially an imaginary plane which represents where the waves are at any given point of time. So if there is a source of light and the waves are parallel to each other, then the wavefront is just a plane perpendicular to the direction of the motion of the waves and is situated at the place till where the waves have reached. You can see that the wavefront moves forward at the speed of light. So how does this concept help us? Well, because we know that light slows down when it goes from air to glass, the wavefront must also slow down. Now, if the light is entering the glass at an angle, one part of the wavefront will reach the glass and slow down while the other will be moving at the same speed as before. This is what causes change of direction. Because to keep the wavefront intact, the light has to bend, as you can see in this animation. This is why speeds of light causes light to bend. If the light goes from fast medium to a slow medium, it will bend towards the normal drawn and vice versa. So now we know refraction. Why is the arrow reversed? Well, once we add the water to the glass, the whole thing behaves like a convex lens. A convex lens refracts light incident on it in such a way that it converges at a point like this. This happens because the lens actually refracts the light twice, once on entry and once on exit. On entry, the light bends towards the normal because of the speed of the light in glass is slower. Because of the shape of the lens, even though the light moves away from the normal on exit, it still converges outside the lens. The point where the light rays meet is called the focus of the lens. What happens when we pour water in our glass is the same. The light rays from the top of the arrow and the bottom of the arrow meet at the focus. But if we look at the arrow from behind the focus, the rays of the light have crossed each other and thus the light from the bottom of the arrow comes to the top and the ray from the top comes to the bottom. Thus, the arrow seems flipped. So, that's why the arrow is flipped, because the light slowed down in water. Well, that's it for this session. If you have liked the video, then please hit the like button. If you have any queries, then comment down and subscribe to our channel. And yes, don't forget to hit the bell icon and never miss another update from Let's Tute. Till then, keep watching, keep learning and follow your curiosity. Thank you.